Hello friends, consider this graph. Nice graph. So using this graph, we want to find, you know, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Okay, so what is f of negative 3? So what is the function value at negative 3? So all you have to do is to go to the graph, locate negative 3, which is this here, and then, um, then what is the function value? Right? The function value, if you look at that negative 3, if you go up, you have a circle there. That means the function is not defined. Like when you see a circle, it means that the function is not defined. But however, before you conclude, go down, right? Go down. If you go down, you see that there is a shaded dot there. That means the function is defined. So the function value is going to be, so just trace that shaded dot to the y-axis. So that's -1. So just using that, the function value is -1. F of negative 3 is -1. Okay. So now let's do B, right? Let's do B. So B says that the limit of f of x as x approaches 3. So how can you find this limit from the graph? So basically you want to, at -3, so the way you find the limit using the graph is you just, as x approaches 3 from the left and also from the right. So now on the graph, as you go from the left, where is he approaching? What's the y value? And as you go from the right, what's the y value? So trace it down, the y value is going to be 6. So f of the limit is just going to be 6, right? Just going to be 6. Okay, now let's look at C, f of 4. F of 4. So locate 4. Locate 4, right? This is 4. What is f of 4? So just like when we looked for f of -3, if you observe, if you go up, you observe the dot there. So f of 4 is just going to be, trace it to the y value. F of 4 is just going to be 7, right? So it's just going to be 7. Okay. So um how about the limit of f of x as x approaches 4? So as x approaches 4, go to the graph, right? Go to the graph. As x approaches 4 from the left, so from the left, from the left, look at the, what's the y value there? The y value there is 2, right? Now from the right on the graph, down, from the right, what's the y value there? It's -3. So the left limit is 2 and the right limit is -3. So what does that mean? It means that the limit, they are both different, right? The left limit is different from the right limit. It means that the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 is what? Does not exist. DNE. DNE means does not exist. The limit does not exist because the left limit is different from the right limit. Okay, so what about um, f of 6? F of 6, look at the graph very well. Look at the graph very well. First of all, you locate where 6 is. So this is 6 here, right? Okay, if you go up, nothing, but if you go down, there is something, right? There is something. So locate. So if you go down, you can touch the graph. So if you locate what's the y value, the y value there is just going to be -5, right? -5. So f of 6 is going to be -5. So what about the limit? So let me erase all this so that we are not confused. So I'm going to erase all this. So what about the limit of f of x as x approaches 6? So now on the graph, from the left, from the left, um, from the left, just going, what's the value there? The value there is -5. From the right also, what's the value? The value there is also -5. So the limit of f of x as x approaches 6 is just going to be -5 because the left limit is equal to the right limit. So it's going to be -5. Okay. And that solves all the problem. That solves all the problem.